Hi, I'm Remi.
And I'm Maggie.
And this is Dawgfeed.
First up, we have cooking with Cross.
Who am I here with?
Mr. Cross.
Well, today we are doing Cooking with Cross, and what will we be making?
We'll be going through the process of making our FBLA cookies.
Sounds good. What is the first step to this process?
Well, first we have our Otis Spunkmeyer ovens over here that are specifically made for making cookies. Okay, all you have to do is turn them on.
Thank you. Step number 2, Cross is not here with me, unfortunately. You gotta pick your cookies. Right here we got chocolate Reese's, and our second one is regular chocolate chip. You weren't able to be here for step 2, so I went ahead and picked out the flavors. What is step 3 now?
Step 3 will be to get your cookies out on the cookie sheet, evenly spaced apart. We go 12 per sheet.
Next step would be step 4. What is that?
Step 4 is make sure the oven's preheated and then getting the cookies in the oven.
All right. Let's finish this step.
Be on the lookout for our next FBLA cookie sale. Now let's enjoy some cookies.
And that has been a great episode of Cooking with Cross. Perfect. Now we wait 15 minutes for them to cook.
Be on the lookout for our next FBLA cookie sale. Now let's enjoy some cookies.
And that has been a great episode of Cooking with Cross.
Next up, we have boys basketball interviews.
I'm Mills, and I'm a forward.
I'm Eden, and I'm a center.
I'm Andre. I'm a forward.
I'm Kobe. I'm a guard. I'm Connor. I'm a guard.
I'm Jack. I'm a guard.
I'm John. I'm a center.
My highest scoring game was 28 against Riley County my sophomore year.
Our highest scoring game is currently 0. I've never played.
12 against Hiawatha last year.
24 against St. Mary's. 8 against somebody.
35 against Bishop Ward.
2 versus Chapman.
Favorite player is Kevin Durant.
My favorite player is Anthony Edwards.
LeBron James.
Austin Reeves. Larry Bird.
Jerry West.
Kendrick Perkins.
My favorite high school memory is my first lob from Kobe.
Coach yelled at me on day 1.
Going to state last year.
Winning sub-state last year. The JV squad 2 years ago.
Going to state last year.
Playing C-Team JV and varsity in one day.
I am currently wearing the Sabrina 2s.
Anthony Edward won Lowe's.
Heart at 9s.
Jaw 3s. Way of Wade's Flash.
Hyper dunks.
Hard and 3 bounces.
My favorite place I played at has to be Bramlage.
Olpe High School.
The Ville.
Bramlage. The Ville.
Bramlage Coliseum.
Dixie State College Arena.
And now, who's the better Bob?
I'm Dalen, and I'm here with
Can.
and
Cooper.
today we're gonna see who the better Bob is. Thank you, Miss Appleby, for letting us use your shop. Now they're both done with their sketches. Cooper's already started painting. Looks like he's mixing some blue and green.
I'm just introducing these two colors here. So use green and blue. They've never met each other before. No, just slightly introducing. It's just like that, one right out.
And now here's Canann's strategy.
I'm just painting. Cooper has too much of a sketch.
Oh, Ross used to talk real soft. So I'm making the rock thing.
Cooper, you guys say. I'm creating a birthplace just for some beautiful flesh. Just telling stories about my big pleasure.
They stopped it. Re-say that.
Canann, we're at the halfway point now. Do you wanna walk us through your drawing halfway through?
Sure, I will, Day. So, you see here, I got my river that ran through the picture, and I got the grass that comes out, a little bit of brown mixed in there, and then have to cut the cabin off to the side with the wide oak coming out of it, and then haven't figured out what I'm gonna do here yet, but I'll get to that. And then I got my grass up here. Started on the mountains, and then I started on my my cypress trees, whatever you want to call it.
Alright, thank you, Canann.
Welcome, Dad.
Cooper, you gonna walk us through your painting halfway through the competition?
I'd be glad to. They're still a little iffy, but I'm obviously the least favorite of the group. But I haven't really meshed everything together yet, so it's a little bulky. Very bulky. I haven't really started. I got my water so far. I'm gonna keep running this little blue-green and like a little turquoise color. I'm gonna run it through this painting here. I'm gonna try to foundation it up to this mountain. It's really not that bad.
Walk me through to what that bear
No. Shut up, Hadley. I'm done.
I'm here with,
Mr. Cross.
and we're gonna have you judge these two paintings. Here was the reference picture.
Okay.
And here's the two paintings.
I think the one on the right's better.
The comeback kid. And we are the champion. We are the champion. No time for losers, 'cause we are the champion.
Finally, we have finished the lyrics.
Here with Mrs. Horrock. Can you finish the lyrics? Ooh, you and me going fishing in the dark. That is correct. Who am I here with?
Kinsley. Carson.
Can you guys finish the lyrics?
6'7".
Thank you. Who am I here with?
Jack Donovan.
Can you finish the lyrics?
No, I can't.
Thank you. Who am I here with?
Michael Kenny.
Can you finish the lyrics?
Baby, come back.
Thank you. Who am I here with?
Mr. Cross.
Can you finish the lyrics?
I cannot sleep. I cannot dream tonight.
That is correct. Who am I here with?
Reese Thomas.
Eli Burdick. Can you guys finish the lyrics?
Hold me now, I'm 6 feet from the edge, and I'm saying.
That is correct.
Thanks for watching and have a doggone good week.